We're here at Carz R Us. We got another great vehicle for you, a 2000 Ford Expedition. This has got 136,000 miles on it at a great price. These can range based on condition. We've done some work on it, heater core, some power steering work. We got all new rear brakes, pads, rotors, calipers. Come check it out. Minimal rust on it. There are a couple rust spots. A slight exhaust noise. Pretty good though, not bad. We'll hear it fire up here in a second. But overall, very good condition. Drives down the road really well. So you can hear she sounds good. You got a slight manifold noise. Pretty straightforward fix if somebody wants to take care of it. Decent tires on it. A lot of space. This has got your third row. So pretty good size here, nice tan color. It's got all-weather floor mats in it. So come on over, check it out. We got it at $39.99. It's ready, priced to sell. It's not going to last long. Four-wheel drive. So come over, check it out here. Carz R Us in Machesney Park.
877-4277